MP ke Shillong Parliamentary Constituency ka kasau tari upnai nailu ajar arpusau ulau hunyar sha dauki ban jingo nalandehi ya dauki dan pot ha kan jingwan jong MP lasan ran lang ya u dage nongelam ka parti banru harangkat presiden rang ba kaseng u ba ardan milar pusai moj bahaga ne kasni kaseng ka jingwan yukujat majingo UMP ya kan lan pot ka blatip kong ba LPI lane kata kalan pot Authority of India ka long ban skotu ya kijing juna bat kijing ki ba dangbun ya ka bana kaliang officer in charge ki BSF buat ya custom officer haringkat ki WDK officer buat ru hak stakeholder kila persngau ya ka jing duna buat jing so MP ka Shillong Dr. Ki AJ Sengkon na kaliang MP ka Shillong buong ba unsa simkia melek ya ka penkam buat ru hak aju ka por bun sebut din ya ki kam ki bedang duna ha kan ngelan pot.
Resolve and maybe do something which will enhance the potentiality of this particular place. So, thank you all once again. Hope we will visit this place again, and I hope that in the next visit, some of the things which, the issues which you raised today, at least that will be sorted out. So, thank you so much. Party President Pak Azhar